Whoa. Cool.
Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to take a look at what is inside this professional knife set from Home Hero. Let's get started. First of all, it has a picture on the outside of what probably is the contents of the inside. But we're gonna go ahead and open it from the bottom here because it has this tape that we can just rip off. And there's another box inside. Whoa. Individual boxes. All right, let's see what we got here. A little booklet from Home Hero on professional knife set, how to care for our knives, caution, customer care, and knife set content, how to store your knives, 2-stage knife sharpening, coarse sharpener, and fine sharpener. All right, there we go. So now we know how to sharpen our knives. This is wrapped in bubble wrap. Wow, look at that. And it also has plastic on it, so we'll rip off this plastic part. All right, so this is the knife stand, and it says Home Hero right here. Let's open this box up. The first thing we have here are kitchen scissors. This is a 2-function peeler. Wow, yeah, that's cool. That looks really sharp too. And this is the sharpener right here. So we have a coarse sharpener, and then this one is fine. This box is quite a bit heavier. All right, let's take a look what's in here. Wow, all the knives. Let's lay them out. I would say be careful when you are taking your knives out because there are a lot. But each of them is covered in individual plastic, and it has a cardboard sleeve as well over the blade. So that's really nice. Let's start with this really big one, really long one here. Take it out of this plastic, and it's cardboard. Wow, look at that. The blade is black. That's really cool. All right, I think this is the carving knife. We'll slide it in there. This is another really large one. This looks like the chef knife. This knife is serrated. Let's just go ahead and open up all the knives, and then we will put them in the stand. All right, guys, I think now we've got it figured out. We've got all of the knives unwrapped. And now we can see what they are. We have a paring knife over here, the utility knife, a bread knife, a chef knife, carving knife. This is a cheese knife, a pizza knife, and then all of these, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these look like steak knives. And then of course we have the peeler, the kitchen scissors, and the sharpener, as well as the stand for them. All of the knives say Home Hero on them, written. So let's put all of the knives in the stand here. We've got our first row of knives put in, and now we're going to add the steak knives to the other side. Then it has this little rack on the side to put your kitchen scissors over here. And then on this side, your peeler. There we go. It's complete. Whoa! If you're interested in picking yourself up a kitchen knife set, there's a link in the description of this video so you can go check that out. I want to thank Paulus again for your generosity. This is a beautiful gift, and I'm so excited to use it. Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. There will be more cooking videos coming soon in the future. Hope you guys have a great day and keep smiling.